Okay, so a friend brought me over this Vizio model M70-C3 70-inch, I believe it's a 4K television. They were watching it one day and it just faded to black, powered off, would never come back on. So they wanted if I'd take a look at it, and I said sure. So like I said, it's a 70-inch Vizio model M70-C3. I've already took the back off. So no power. They were just watching it and it just faded to black. Would never come back on. Other symptoms they were having were the Wi-Fi would not stream more than 30 seconds before rebooting. And then, like I said, it faded to black. So first thing I did, make sure 120 volts is coming in, followed the leads over, checked the fuse. Everything was good. So I know I'm getting power to the television. Then I looked over this power board. Didn't see anything wrong right off the bat. Just do a quick visual. They look fine. I checked a few voltages here. We're getting some weird readings. So then I started looking at caps. These 4 black ones right there, those are the replacements. I've already done them. They were the ones just to the right of there. Those Elite 16 volt 1000 microfarads. Same values, but these 4 were bad. Replace them with these cheap ones. I would probably recommend using a better brand, but this is just what I had. Here's the 4 bad caps. My method, since they were glued down, I just clipped the leads, pried off the caps, and then desoldered, and then cleaned up the holes, and then replaced with these 4. Like I said, I would probably use better caps in these brand and put them in. Everything worked, powered on. Other symptoms that they were having was the Wi-Fi. This has built-in Wi-Fi. You can see the board right there, antennas going up. They said the Wi-Fi would come on, stream for 30 seconds to a minute, then shut off, and then it would never work again. That was before the screen faded to black and never came back on. They didn't say exactly how long it was doing that for, but I imagine it was just a power issue, because obviously the power board was having a problem. So I hope this helps y'all. It's a quick, cheap fix if you know how to solder. A couple dollars in caps here. Might be a good idea just to replace all the caps. You know, maybe have 30 bucks into it in caps, if even that. A little bit of time of soldering. You can probably get someone to do it for you pretty cheap if you don't know how to. But Vizio model M70-C3, if you have a no power issue, it may just be these 4 caps. That's all it was on this one. $2,000 TV was probably going to be thrown away for a couple dollars in capacitors. So I really do hope that helps. Thanks for watching.